Hi, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the Intralinks app, which is a file management and document sharing app specifically designed for M&A use case. So we're going to log in. It was cached, but it also has Touch ID enabled. It's not going to ask me now. So the landing screen are exchanges. We have them alphabetically ordered. The screen has a filter and a refresh at the top. So if we search for project Jupiter, we can navigate inside. Another feature I would like to show you is the tablet split screen. This app supports it. It's built on a native iOS components, and it does support every view. The app has 4 tabs. First one is exchanges. Next is downloads, that is for offline use. Contacts, that are Intralinks contacts, and the app settings. So right now we're inside exchanges, and I'm going to take you a little bit deeper into the directories and show you another native feature of browsing. We're gonna go inside a folder, and here we have filters. We also have a search function. We can search for a document. This search is meant to search current directory and lower. We could search for keyword, and we have one document, and perfect. I'm going to take this document and also show you a PDF annotation in here. You can actually delete annotations. You can create new annotations. Move it, and when we're done, we can upload the file onto the server. Now we've completed our task, we can get out of the search, and there was these little bugs are mostly happening because I am recording this in QuickTime Movie, and the split screens are a little laggy. For each document cell has native swipe action to the left, and also a default one which provides the file details in a popover screen. It also has a default swipe action on the left to download a document. As you can see, it has a quick progress bar. If we go with something bigger, now we're putting the documents into downloads. We can check. In downloads, they're physically downloaded to the device. We can manage the list. We can select all, remove them, and we can navigate back to our previous screen. And in here, I wanted to show you swipe navigation from the edge on the left, quickly navigating back through the directories to the top, landing, exchanges, list. Also, every exchange cell also has actions. The default one is exchange details. We also have user management. In Intralinks, user management is done through content and assigning groups to permissions to view content for groups. So we can drill inside a group, and there you can see we can add a user, we can remove a user, we can also navigate inside a user and maybe change a user role. Everything is done with a help support. Intralinks does have a lot of different roles for permissioning content, so each role can actually, we can learn about each and make a quick decision once selected. It also has supported filters. I'm gonna get out of it. Also sorts, we can list the sorts. There's usually hundreds of users per group in a typical M&A use case. So the sorting and filtering is very important. We're going to navigate out. I'm going to close this modal, and another section I'm going to show you are the reports. This is something that was existing in the previous application. What we've done here is take the existing design but modified it for the split screens and also portrait location. So this app supports portrait. However, I can't show you that because the QuickTime Movie would not support, it would stop recording. And that's it. We've looked at downloads. Another section is contacts. So contacts is containing all the contacts that are related to my exchanges and their organizations and business groups that are associated with them. So that usually would cover the organization that has purchased Intralinks, and you can see we can navigate inside person. From here we can complete an email, or we can call. I want to get out of there. There's a settings. In settings we do have a change password flow. I can quickly demonstrate. The strength password meter. And you can see how they move from moving the criteria, the password, the strength meter changes. Okay, I'm gonna get out of there. I'm not going to complete it. And I think that about concludes the major functionality of this app. Oh, the document permissions. How documents are permissioned. So we're going to navigate inside an exchange, and we'll take ILO permissions document, and we'll change its permissions. So we'll decide which groups can see it or control it. Let's say we would like to change Intralinks to change permissions to no access, to prevent them from being able to see that. I'm gonna save. It gives me a confirmation modal. Save it, dialog. Changes are reflected, and we can move back. also here we could do a search for IO permissions since we saw the document. Oh, and there were no results. Was it a typo? Yes. Okay, so now we have two results. In a search result list, from here we can take all the document actions. We can also navigate back so we can view the document. We can close it. We're back to the search results. If there was a folder, you can actually navigate inside the folder and then navigate back to the search results. And I think this is it, and that concludes my tour of the app. Thank you.